Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
The subject Mathematics Part 1, Standard 10th, topic Quadratic Equations, Practice Set 2.6. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. In this video, we will learn Practice Set 2.6. Question 1. The product denoting the numbers of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years, hence is 84. Find her present age. Solution. Let the present age of Pragati be x years. Therefore, 2 years ago, age of Pragati is equal to x minus 2 years. And after 3 years, age of Pragati is equal to x plus 3 years. According to the given condition, x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Therefore, x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Therefore, x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 84. Therefore, x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Therefore, x in the bracket x plus 10 minus 9 in the bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. But age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equals to 9. Therefore, present age of Pragati is 9 years. Question 2. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural numbers is 244. Find the numbers. Let's see the solution. Let the first even natural number be x. Therefore, the next consecutive even natural number will be x plus 2. According to the given condition, x square plus x plus 2 into 2 is equal to 244. Therefore, 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x square plus 4x minus 240 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. We have divided both the sides by 2. Therefore, x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Therefore, x in the bracket x plus 12 minus 10 in the bracket x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 12 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 10. But natural number cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10. And x plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2, which is equals to 12. Therefore, two consecutive even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Question 3. In the orchard of Sri Madhusudan, the number of orange trees in each row is 5 more than the number of trees in each column. The total number of orange trees in orchard is 150. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of following chart. Let's see the solution. Number of trees in a column is x, number of trees in a row is x plus 5 and total number of trees is x in the bracket x plus 5. Now according to the given condition, x into x plus 5 is equal to 150. Therefore, x square plus 5x is equal to 150. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Therefore, x in the bracket x plus 15 minus 10 in the bracket x plus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 15 x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10. But number of trees cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, number of trees in a column is 10. Number of trees in a row, that is 10 plus 5, is equal to 15. Therefore, the number of trees in each column and each row is 10 and 15 respectively. Question 4. Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. The sum of the multiplicative inverses of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present age. Solution. Let the present age of Kishore be x years. Therefore, present age of Vivek is x plus 5 years. According to the given condition, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore, x plus 5 plus x upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore, 2x plus 5 upon x in the bracket x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Therefore, 6 in the bracket 2x plus 5 is equal to x in the bracket x plus 5. Therefore, 12x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x in the bracket x minus 10 plus 3 in the bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 3. But age cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10 and x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5, that is 15. Therefore, present ages of Kishore and Vivek are 10 years and 15 years respectively. Question 5. Suyash scored 10 marks more in the second unit test than the first unit test. 5 times the marks in the second unit test is equal to the squares of the marks in the first unit test. Find his score in the first unit test. Solution. Let the score of Suyash in the first test be x. Therefore, score in the second test is equal to x plus 10. So, according to the given condition, 5 in the bracket x plus 10 is equal to x square. Therefore, 5x plus 50 is equal to x square. Therefore, x square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, x in the bracket x minus 10 plus 5 in the bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 10 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5. But score cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Therefore, the score of Suyash in the first unit test is 10. Question 6. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find the production of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. Let's see the solution. Let Mr. Kasam make x number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 10x plus 40. According to the given condition, x into 10x plus 40 is equal to 600. After solving the brackets, we will get 10x square plus 40x minus 600 is equal to 0. So we will divide both the sides by 10. We will get x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore, x in the bracket x plus 10 minus 6 in the bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 6. But number of pots cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Now, production cost of each pot is 10x plus 40, that is 10 into 6 plus 40, which is equals to rupees 100. Therefore, production cost of one pot is rupees 100 and the number of pots Mr. Kasam makes per day is 6. Question 7. Pratik travels by boat 36 kilometers downstream and back in 8 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour, find the speed of water current. Let's see the solution. Let the speed of water current be x km per hour. Speed of boat is 12 km per hour. In upstream, speed of water current decreases the speed of the boat and it is the opposite in downstream. Therefore, speed of the boat in upstream is equal to 12 minus x km per hour and speed of the boat in downstream is 12 plus x km per hour. Now, time is equal to distance upon speed. So, time required to cover 36 km upstream is equal to 36 upon 12 minus 6 hours. Time required to cover 36 km downstream is equal to 36 upon 12 plus x hours. According to the given condition, 36 upon 12 minus x plus 36 upon 12 plus x is equal to 8. Therefore, 36 in the bracket 1 upon 12 minus x plus 1 upon 12 plus x is equal to 8. Therefore, 1 upon 12 minus x plus 1 upon 12 plus x is equal to 8 upon 36. Therefore, 12 plus x plus 12 minus x upon 12 minus x into 12 plus x is equal to 2 upon 9. Therefore, 24 upon 144 minus x square is equal to 2 upon 9. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, 24 into 9 is equal to 2 into 144 minus x square. Therefore, 216 is equal to 288 minus 2x square. Therefore, 2x square is equal to 72. Therefore, x square is equal to 36. So, x is equal to plus minus 6. But speed cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to minus 6 is unacceptable. So x is equal to 6. Therefore, the speed of water current is 6 km per hour. Question 8. Pintu takes 6 days more to complete a certain work than Nishu. Together they finish the work in 4 days. How many days would each take to complete that work if they work alone? Let's see the solution. Let Nishu take x days to complete the work alone. So total work done by Nishu is in 1 day is 1 upon x, and Pintu takes 6 days more. So x plus 6. Therefore total work done by Pintu in 1 day is 1 upon 1 x plus 6, and total work done by both in 1 day is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6. After solving this, we will get 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x. Now, according to the given condition, x square plus 6x upon 2x plus 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, x square plus 6x is equal to 4 into 2x plus 6. After solving this, we will get x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. After factorizing, we will get x minus 6 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 4. But the number of days cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Therefore, x plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 6, that is equals to 12. Therefore, Nishu takes 6 days and Pintu takes 12 days to complete the work individually. Question 9. If 460 is divided by the natural number, the quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find the quotient and the divisor. Let's see the solution. Let the divisor be x, then the quotient is 5x plus 6. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is 460 is equal to x into 5x plus 6 plus 1. After solving this, we'll get 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. After factorizing it, we'll get x minus 9 in the bracket 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 is equal to 0 or 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 9 or 5x is equal to minus 51. So x is equal to minus 51 upon 5. But minus 51 upon 5 is not a natural number. Therefore, x is equal to minus 51 upon 5 is unacceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 9. Therefore, 5x plus 6 is 5 into 9 plus 6, that is 45 plus 6 is equal to 51. Therefore, the quotient is 51 and the divisor is 9. Question number 10 is given for self-study. Thank you.